Canva's verified animation workflow does not document a universal loop button. To create an animation for repeated playback, start by selecting the page, element, or text you want to animate. In the editor, select Animate from the toolbar above the design. This opens the animation options for the page or item you selected. To animate the whole design page, open the Page tab. This is different from animating just one object, so choose the target before choosing a style. For a graphic, shape, photo, or video, open the Element tab. If you select a text box, Canva also provides a text tab for animating that specific text. Hover over an animation option to preview it. When the movement looks right, select the option to apply it to the selected page, element, or text. Canva lists general animations and suggested animations. Both can be combined with add-on effects. Try combinations carefully so the movement supports the design instead of distracting from its message. The available styles depend on what you selected. Text, graphics, shapes, photos, and videos may show different animation choices, so a missing style is not necessarily an error. Next, check the animation timing and order. Canva's help page provides timing controls and sequence controls, which are useful when you want the motion to play in a predictable cycle. For presentations with Appear on Click enabled, open Presentation Settings and choose Click Order. Drag each element into the order in which it should appear, from first to last. For element timing, select the animated element, open More in the floating toolbar, and choose Show Element Timing. The timing appears in the thumbnail view below the editor. In that timing view, drag the element tiles to change their order. Use the drag handles from left to right to change how long each animation runs. You can also create a custom movement. Select an element, choose Animate, and select Create an Animation. Drag the element or photo to draw its movement path, then choose a movement style and speed. Preview the path before saving it. Select Done to keep the animation, or delete path if you want to remove the custom movement and try again. When the animation is ready, Canva says animated designs can be downloaded as videos or GIFs. Choose the supported animated output that fits where you plan to use the design. Finally, remember Canva's stated limits. Each animation can be up to 10 seconds, and a design can contain up to 50 created animations. The reliable sequence is select, animate, time, preview, and export. Do not search for an undocumented universal loop button.